Salam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, this is Bushra, a colorist and a beginner artist. Recently, I've been having a sketching fever and drawing everything, like this electrical heater that I have in my room. But that's for another day. Today, I'm all focused on those pretty flowers and turning them into this. Another thing that I started recently is using colored pencils for sketching or doodling, which is something I've never expected I'll be able to do. This was, of course, because I've been pushed out of my comfort zone by the instructor of Make Your Own Coloring Page, which is an art course that I'm a part of currently and is being presented by Lisa, the amazing artist that is leading the course. It all started when Lisa insisted that we use only colored pencils during the whole course with her, and she also insisted that we do not use erasers at all, like throw them out of the house, never look at them, look them somewhere. And this was my first time ever using colored pencils and first time ever trying to sketch or draw anything without using any erasers. Unexpectedly, I think this is what started my sketching fever. By nature, I am a perfectionist, and I find comfort in the feeling that I can go back and fix what I call a mistake. So using no eraser and using colored pencils instead of just regular graphite pencils just put me out of this whole perfection zone and transferred me into a more free and more just let go of all of the worries and just draw, going with the flow. Going out of that perfection zone to it is what it is has lifted a big burden, and it reflected on my drawing. My lines has become more smooth and flowy. You can see it's more spontaneous and less planned. More of my character has been showing in these sketches and less copying. It feels more original, and I think I will be finding my own style soon. As you can see here, I was working on finishing my project. I was making the final touches to the piece, and I actually stopped working on it and took the final footage and ended my day. But this was not the end of this project. As you saw in the beginning, there is a lot more that will happen in the background. It's always nice to step back and give yourself some time and take a look at your project once again. You might see things that needs to be added, or you might feel that you're satisfied and you've done whatever you've planned for. For me, I also like to take some opinions from the people around me about the project that I'm working on. Out of the people that I ask for their opinion, my mom is the most special one. My mom is my trustworthy advisor. She's very detail-oriented and she notices things that I do not. And she has a special way of criticizing or advising about my art projects. So this time, when I asked her, "Mama, what do you think about this?" and I showed her the flowers project, she said that she likes them a lot, but then she paused, and here comes her advice as usual. She said, "I feel that you can do something more for the background. Why stop only here? You can do something that will make the flowers pop out more." So here it goes. After I heard this advice, it clicked with me actually, and I felt that I want to do this. It resonated with my imagination for the final project. So I just started working on it once again, and I added the background. By the title of this video, you should have known that I'm using the Neocolor 2 for this project. But in case you do not know what are Neocolors 2, or you want to know more about how to use them, I have done a video previously about it, and I will link it for you in the description box. And please don't be intimidated by the length of the video. It's around 44 minutes almost. The first 3 or 4 minutes are about the medium itself and how to use it. Then the remaining 40 minutes is a color along with me. If you're a colorist and you would love to color the page with me, then go along and watch the rest of that video. Now I feel more confident using Neocolors 2, and maybe I will start mixing this medium with other mediums such as colored pencils or alcohol markers. This will be interesting for future projects. Let me know in the comments if you have used colored pencils for sketching yet or not. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Don't forget to show me some support, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I will be including my social media accounts information in the description if you're interested to follow me on Instagram or TikTok. Thank you and see you next time. مع السلامة.